congratulations, my very best wishes, and I wish you well. Good morning. Let me, in a very profound way, first congratulate General Kiboshi, our outgoing CDF, for an outstanding service, not just to our military, but to the nation of Kenya. You have, in both difficult times and in good times, you have demonstrated leadership, and we are very proud of your service as a CDF of the Republic of Kenya. And today, with pride, with your head high, you exit from the highest office in the military. And as you take up your other responsibilities in retirement, congratulations from me, and I wish you the very best. And I am confident that you still have time to contribute to the development of our nation, even in your next phase. Let me take this opportunity again to congratulate our new CDF, General Ogolla. Congratulations on your appointment and ascension into the high office of CDF in the Republic of Kenya. In considering your appointment, I assessed your background, what you have done, your journey in the military, and I am satisfied that you merit the office. You have my confidence. You have the confidence of the government of Kenya to discharge your responsibilities in your new office. It is my expectation that the professional standard of the Kenyan military will be observed under your leadership. Kenya has a tradition of a military that is professional, that is outstanding, that has integrity, and that serves not just the people of Kenya, but our region and the globe. VCDF Mwangi, congratulations. I also went through to understand how you have grown in the ranks, and I am also confident that you have what it takes to support the CDF and to provide the liaison between the rest of government and our military so that we can have seamless relationship and engagement between the military and other arms of government. Again, it is my expectation that you will support the CDF in ensuring that the military remains professional and continue to perform the duties that have been assigned to the military by our Constitution. To all the other generals that have been promoted and assigned new responsibilities, congratulations to all of you. My very best wishes as you take up your new roles. And to the entire military fraternity, it is my expectation and that of the government of Kenya that we shall continue to see a professional, a military that serves the people of Kenya. And as I have told you before, we do not expect to see ethnicity, bias, or any other consideration aside from professionalism. It is my expectation that the high standard that has been set by your predecessors, you will strive to attain even higher standards as you take over the leadership of the military. We will expect from you to serve the country as the foremost defense of the country against external threats. You will also be expected to work with the rest of the security agencies to support the security of the country. I will also be calling upon you to support other civilian agencies in the discharge of their responsibilities, deploying the discipline, the professionalism, the integrity of the military to support the rest of the civilian authority in ensuring that we take Kenya to the next level. I will be meeting you at a later date. Let me say on this very happy occasion that I am indeed proud that I have assigned you the responsibilities that I have, being confident that you have what it takes, not just to assume those responsibilities, but also discharge the duties that have been assigned to you in those responsibilities. Again, congratulations to you. My very best wishes to each and every one of you. And I also look forward, as I said, to working with you going into the future. Asanteni sana, na pongezi tena. I am confident that the outgoing CDF will have sufficient time to work on handover notes and to make sure that the transition is smooth, effective, efficient, and seamless. These are your people, you have worked with them, so you know them, and I am very confident that there are no strangers here. These are people who have worked together, and I look forward to working with you. Asanteni sana.